stocks, crypto, credit, moves. Good evening, YouTube. We're back again for another video. Uh, I just wanted to say thank you for the support and the new subscribers. I really appreciate your support of the channel. In this video, I want to actually discuss a video that I just put out, SOBUY. It was the platform that you actually click on ads and get paid money. Well, unfortunately, YouTube, it was a rug pull. They exit and they don't seem to be coming back. So that's why I always say never put more money into these platforms or stock or crypto that you can afford to lose. So I lost 800, but that's part of the game. You're going to lose some, we're going to win some. So never put any more in any of these platforms that you can afford to lose. And like I always say, I'm not your financial advisor. I just like to give information as to how I'm navigating through the markets to make a profit. So let me pull up the video that I am referring to. That's just part of the risk. You know, every time we buy a stock or crypto, we're taking a risk. So never put in more than what you can afford to lose. I just want to be transparent. So guys, don't put any money in SOBUY. It has exit scammed and it does not appear to be coming back. I know that they were saying in their Telegram group that they were having issues with payments and to be patient. But I don't see this coming back, guys. It happens. But I do have some other platforms that are performing, and I've done some videos on Novatech and Beams, and they appear to be very transparent. Also, I'm going to actually start to focus a little bit more on the stock market, as there still are a lot of opportunities, even though we're going through tough times. So that is SOBUY. She's walked out on us. Let's just pull the website up here just to see if it may pop back up. But platforms go up and down all the time. Let's see if we get any luck. So it does not appear to be loading. You have to, with crypto investments, you have to get in early and ride the wave. Stocks, you can be a little bit more patient and just hold the stocks even if a position falls against you. So, yep, she's gone. I hope that no one lost money in this platform. And like I said, always only put what you afford to lose. And we're going to continue to move forward. We're not going to let this deter us from getting to that bag. I would love a subscription. If you guys have any questions in the comments section, I'll leave them open. Until next time, signing off.